Let's talk about the two little words that can literally stop a meeting in its tracks. Point of order. And just like that, everything stops. The room goes silent. You look around. Half the room is totally confused. The other half, they look thrilled. So, what in the world just happened? Did someone just start a fight? Nope, it's not an insult, even if it feels like one. It's actually a tool. A point of order is just a way to say the meeting's not following its own rules. Think of it like a quick timeout, a procedural check to make sure we're all playing fair. Basically, it's the official way of saying, hey, wait a minute, I think we're off track here. Okay, so when can you actually use this thing? What's the right moment?
Well, it's for specific moments, like if emotion's made wrong or someone's speaking out of turn.
But here's the most important rule of all. You have to do it immediately. Not an hour later. Not after the meeting's over. You have to say it right then and there. All right, so how does it actually work? It's way simpler than you think. You just say, point of order. The chair pauses, makes a ruling, and boom, the meeting moves on. And get this, you don't raise your hand. You don't wait. You just interrupt. It's your right. But why does this one little tool matter so much? What's the big deal, really? It's not really about being formal. It's all about being fair to everyone in the room. When it's used right, it keeps things fair. Used wrong, it just derails the whole meeting. Think about it. It protects the minority opinion from just getting steamrolled by the majority. And it keeps the majority honest. It stops them from just cutting corners to get their way. Knowing how to use this tool, well, that's half the battle of surviving a board meeting. So the next time you hear those two words, which side of the room will you be on?